Hi guys, today is chapati day and these are my ingredients. So you're gonna need salt, oil, you're gonna need not maize flour, you're gonna need ngano, and 3 cups of flour or flour. You're gonna need 3 cups of it, and you're gonna use also salt, you're gonna need oil, and you're gonna need sugar and warm water. So keep watching and I'll show you what I'm doing. So after you've measured your flour, then you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of salt into the flour, and then you add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then ukoroge vizuri kabisa, and then you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oil, alafu tena unachanganyisha 3 tablespoons, sorry. Then you mix it well, and you're not going to need hot water or warm water, which one you prefer, but I prefer hot water so that you can have soft chapatis. You add it slowly by slowly, pole pole, usiweke yote mara moja, unaweka kidogo kidogo, ukichanganya unga yako kidogo kidogo tu. Then una mix, isikuwe tena maji maji. So it's done. Then you're gonna add oil, like weke mafuta, uishikanishe vizuri na mafuta tena, alafu ukishashikanisha na mafuta, then tutaweka aside. Unaweza kwa karatasi kwa juala, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna use this aluminium foil. And now we're gonna keep it aside for 6 hours. Hiyo 6 hours inasaidia chapati yako kuwa soft sana. It is just the same as na venye utakuwa unakanda for 15 minutes, you kanda for 15 minutes is too much work for me, so me I leave it for 6 hours aside, and then the chapati will be soft. So just namalizia na kuweka a big circle on it. Nitaifungua ikuwe circle, alafu nipake mafuta. Alafu after kupaka mafuta ndakata into small pieces, long pieces, and then those long pieces will be my number of my chapatis, as you can see. And then after umeshakata hivi, so unaziroll from juu mpaka chini, alafu unaweka side hivyo. So after you are done now, utaweka unga yako. After na ufungue uniform tu, ufungue circle you umekunja, you make it into a circle so that you can cook it. Yeah, we're gonna need this paper to put our chapati in after we have cooked it. I'm gonna put it in my hot pot, as you can see. Hii hot pot inapatikana kwa Tuskys. Any Tuskys in Kenya can get it. So guys, this is my first chapati. My first chapati is always shapeless. I don't know why. But the second one and third one will be a bit better. But the first one, inakuanga na shida fulani. So, lakini bora imezeke. And now I'm not gonna put oil, I'm just gonna let it. Unaacha kidogo kwa moto, ipashe tu moto, alafu natoa, and then at the end ndo ndaweka zote, ndapika saa zote at once na mafuta. Sasa hii tunapasha moto tu, alafu baadaye sasa ndo naweka mafuta kwa zenzisha pashwa moto. Yeah, hivyo sasa. So napika two in one, tuseme hivyo. So guys, I'm not perfect, but I have tried and I know that my chapatis are sweet. Thank you so much for watching. And please turn the bell notification on so they don't miss any of my videos. And please subscribe. Thank you so much.